Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming permissions. You need managed channels or owner rights. Once confirmed, pick a visual style, full width, small caps, mathematical letters, or emoji accents, because Discord blocks plain uppercase in channel slugs. Next, open a Unicode generator or clipboard helper and create your desired name, copy it. Then, go to the Channel Settings Edit channel and paste the special characters into the name field. Make sure spacing and hyphens are preserved, so the slug stays readable for links. Once you've copied the Unicode variant, paste it into the channel name box and save. Discord will accept many glyphs even if it forbids a Z. Make sure to preview on desktop and mobile. Some fonts or platforms map characters differently, so verify readability. If you need a consistent look, prefer full-width or widely supported small caps blocks. Also, remember to adjust hyphens or underscores for URL-friendly slugs. If a character is rejected, swap to a visually similar glyph until save succeeds. To finish, restrict who can rename the channel so your styled title stays consistent. Set roles accordingly. Once done, document the exact characters you used in a private note so you can reapply them later. If the name reverts or characters disappear, try an alternate Unicode block or remove problematic symbols. Older clients sometimes strip exotic glyphs. One key troubleshooting tip: test the name on multiple devices and clients. Inconsistent rendering usually means you should pick a more common Unicode set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.